Welcome to Getting Started with Freegal for Mobile Devices, brought to you by the Halton Hills Public Library. This will be a brief guide to using the Freegal app on mobile devices to access amazing content like music videos, and audiobooks for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card. Let's get started. This presentation will show you the ins and outs of how to browse for music, search for specific songs, artists, or albums, stream, and download content using the Freegal app. One of the benefits of using the Freegal app is that you can save your downloaded songs to your device so you can take them with you wherever you take your phone or tablet. First, let's begin by learning how to download and install the app. Start by going to either the App Store on an Apple device or the Google Play Store on Android devices, and begin searching for Freegal Music. Once you start typing in the word, you may see it suggested below. You can just click on Freegal Music and it will take you to the download screen. Next, you want to press either the blue Get button or the green Install button, depending on your device, to start the download. From here, the app looks and performs very similar for both Apple and Android devices. If your screen doesn't look exactly the same, it will probably look very similar. Once the app is downloaded, open the app on your device. When you install the app for the first time, you will need to enter some information to log into your account. Start by entering your postal code, city, or country below. This will provide you with a list of libraries that are close to where you live. Select Halton Hills Public Library from the list. Next, you will need to enter your library card number, which is found on your library card, and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. The first time you open the app, it may ask you for an email to send you information about your account. You can choose whether you would like to provide your email or not. Just remember to check the box that says "Do not see this screen again" if you're going to press cancel, so it doesn't keep popping up every time you open the app. Once you are logged in, the app will remember you and automatically log you in each time you open it. However, if you log out or use a different device, you may need to log in again with your library card number and PIN. If at any point you are having difficulty with logging in, or you have any questions, you can email the library at askus@haltonhills.ca and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, let's look at how to use the app. The very first screen you will see is called the home screen. There's lots of different things you can do from this screen, including accessing featured content, including featured playlists, featured albums, and featured songs. You can see what you've recently played. You can look at what you've saved to your wish list. You can start to browse for music. You can search for specific songs, albums, or artists. And you can go to your playlist and downloaded music in the My Music folder. The 3 stacked dots in the upper right-hand corner will take you to your settings. From here, you can see how many downloads you still have available for this week. The number of weekly downloads is set by the library and can change at any time. This number resets at midnight Central Time on Sunday night. You can check the number of streaming minutes that are available each day. Currently, we have unlimited streaming of music. But like downloads, this can change at any time. Streaming minutes reset daily at midnight Central Time. You can access your application settings. Here, you can change your preferences for things including languages and notifications. You can access tutorials or get support from Freegal. This is also where you can log out. This is important to know if you're using a shared device. Let's look at how to browse for music in Freegal. First, tap the picture of the music notes that says Browse at the bottom of the screen. This will let you peruse for thousands of artists, tens of thousands of albums, and millions of songs available through Freegal. You can narrow down your browsing by selecting one of the choices at the top of the screen. You can browse by trending, new arrivals, genre, playlists, artists, music videos, and audiobooks. While browsing, if I find a specific song that I like, I can play it by pressing the triangular play button on the album cover. This will stream the music to my device using an internet connection. However, if I see a playlist or an album that I like, I can tap the cover of that playlist or album to get more information about it. From here, I can stream the entire album or playlist, or I can choose a specific song from that playlist or album that I'd like to listen to. If there's a particular song that I want to save, press the 3 stacked dots beside the song. This will give me a pop-up list of 3 things that I can do. I can download the song to my device. This will save the song to your device so you can play it, transfer it to a computer, add it to other music apps, or burn it to a CD. If I don't want to download the song, I can save it to a playlist. This is where you can create lists of songs that you enjoy. It's like making your own mixtape. Or you can add it to your wish list. This keeps the song, video, or audiobook in a saved folder for you to listen to or download at a later time. You can easily access your downloaded content or playlists through the My Music folder at the bottom of the screen. This will show you all of your saved songs, playlists, videos, and audiobooks. Your wish list items can be found by tapping the word wish list at the top of the home screen. But what if you want to search for a specific song, album, or artist? Start by pressing the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to type in a song title, artist, album, or keyword. In this type of search, Freegal will search for everything. Alternatively, you can select a more specific area where you'd like to search, either before you start typing or after. You can search within categories such as artists, albums, composers, genres, music videos, or playlists. Your search will be shown below. You just need to scroll through to find exactly what you're looking for. We all know that with any type of technology, some difficulties may occur. Let's look at a few ways we might be able to help you before you begin your Freegal journey. Check your device settings. Do you have restrictions that won't allow the Freegal app to run properly? You may need to change some of your permission settings. Check the volume controls on your device. Make sure it isn't muted or set to silent. Additionally, check what level your volume is set on. It may just need to be turned up a little. If you do get an error message and you're not sure how to fix it, write down exactly what it says and what you were doing when the error message occurred. This will better help us to help you. You can reach out to us at askus@haltonhills.ca. We may have a quick fix for your problem. Freegal also has a wonderful FAQ section on their website with lots of information on a variety of topics. If you need some help on a topic that wasn't covered here, they may have information there to help you. Thank you for joining us for getting started with Freegal for mobile devices. I hope you were able to learn something new. Now go use Freegal to find some great music to stream and download for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.